Hey guys, what's happening? How to sell USDT on Trust Wallet. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet. And of course, enter your passcode or log in using your account. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and hit sell next to the buy. And of course, I'm going to select USDT. Okay. Make sure to select the network, right, of the USDT. Let's say it's Solana or Ton or BNB Smart Chain. Let's say BNB, and enter the amount that you want to sell. Okay, and then proceed to sell with Moon Pay or sell right away. Okay, and then basically you're gonna be able to sell it, and you're gonna be able to see also the fee, right? That is required to, sell the coin. To the platform, obviously, and then you're gonna be able to right away sell that coin. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next time.